Welcome to Invisalign. We discussed your goals together and what you're trying to accomplish. Invisalign has provided us with this box and your set of aligners. First thing is inside of this box, you'll see a black retainer case. And this is the case that you'll be using and bringing with you everywhere you go so that you don't lose your Invisalign or throw them in the trash. So I'm gonna set this aside. You get a case of your very own, and you'll be receiving, this is all of the Invisalign trays here. And we number them for you. So for example, this case is 1 of 21. We will give you the trays and we will label them for you so that you know when to change your trays. Most people, we have change every 7 to 10 days depending on the situation. So this is something that then we'll give to you, and then you'll follow up with us at your next appointment. We'll make sure everything's fitting and we'll give you more. Each case comes in this box and each one is numbered. So we will put the date on each one. Most patients will change their trays either 7 to 10 days, and depending on the case, we'll let you know. We will show you at your appointment what to look for to make sure that your trays are fitting properly. We'll make sure that there's no spaces, and we'll make sure that the attachments that we place fit entirely in the tray, and we'll show you how to do that. We'll also give you a munchie, and that's to be worn for 3 to 5 minutes. You bite into it with the tray in to help seat the case. Depending on how crowded the teeth are, sometimes we need to push the trays down a little bit in order to ensure that they fit properly. If it's the day you're supposed to change your tray and you notice that the new tray doesn't fit or it's too tight, we'll have you go back to your last tray, wear that for about 3 to 5 more days, and then try your new tray in. Use the munchies to try to seat those trays. If for some reason it doesn't fit right, or you notice that something's not flush, definitely give us a call and we'll check it out for you. You will be wearing your trays 22 hours a day. When you can take your trays out are eating and drinking. And of course, if there's a social event and you want to take them out, don't forget your case to put them in, and then go ahead and swish your mouth with water, or I recommend Spry. You can get these at Whole Foods, Amazon, Spry gum or mints that will remove the bacteria in your mouth. It's 100% xylitol. So I recommend chewing 2 pieces of gum or sucking on 2 mints prior to putting your trays in. Please make sure when you take the trays out that you do put them in your black case. What to expect is definitely you may have some soreness. Most people tell me they don't have any problem at all, but some people are sore. So I recommend changing your trays at night so that then the new trays in your mouth, you go to bed, you're not gonna notice the soreness as much. If it's really bothersome to you, definitely take 500 milligrams of Tylenol. That will help. Most people will need some attachments on their teeth. They're clear white attachments, or buttons, some people call them. They're gonna help move the teeth faster. It's definitely instead of brackets, ceramic or metal brackets, but you will notice up close if you look in the mirror, like a little attachment here. Most people do not notice them at all. Sometimes people need a little smoothing in between their teeth. If their teeth are really crowded, when you unravel the teeth, you might have a little triangle at the base. Normally when teeth are crowded, you don't see anything like that at all, but there is lower bone. So when you unravel the teeth, sometimes there's a little black triangle. So we can either fill that in with fillings in the end, or we can smooth the teeth a little bit in between to get them into a more ideal position. So be aware of that. How to clean your Invisalign. You can either use some non-abrasive toothpaste with water, or the best thing to use is the Dental Pod by Zima. It comes in a variety of colors. You can get them on Amazon or through Zima, the website. And you put a little fizzy tab in. It's an ultrasonic cleaner. For 5 minutes, it cleans the trays, removes stain, bacteria, and helps keep everything look really nice and white. Any questions you may have, feel free to call us and talk to us at your appointment. I believe you're going to be very happy with Invisalign, and we look forward to being your partner in this process. Thank you.